All right, guys, so let me quickly show you just how easy it is to come in here and have eBook Valet create, design, format, and pretty much publish your ebooks for you in a matter of minutes. All right, I'm going to show you kind of a quick version of it, and then make sure you do join the live demo session to pretty much go through all of this. All right, but a quick elevator pitch on this is pretty much you come in here, you hit this plus sign here. You can choose to create ebooks in any language that you'd like. All right, we have pretty much everything A to Z in here that you can choose from. All right, I'm gonna leave that on English. I'm gonna input my niche there, and then I'm gonna have let's say a 3,000 word report written for this niche here, which is the benefits of starting and having a whole life insurance policy for people in their 30s. So you can see this is a very specific niche that I'm targeting, which is whole life insurance for people that are specifically in their 30s. All right, but you can do this. You can again create ebooks for any niche and really niche down to not only a niche but an age group or a profession or any of that stuff. You can really get specific on who you want to target with your ebooks. And then the word count as well will depend on what level you purchase. You'll be able to move this as much or as little as you want, up to 25,000 words. All right, we have two options here, one automatic mode and one manual mode. Okay, they speak for themselves. That speaks for itself. The automatic mode takes it from here and does absolutely everything. The manual mode allows you to be a lot more involved and control what is being talked about in each and every section. And I'll quickly show you how that works. This is a bit more of an extensive option, but it gives you a lot more control. So I'll save a lot of this for the live demo session, but I'll kind of quickly show you what that looks like. And then here we have some advanced options here, which are part of our upgrades. Okay, specifically the sources tab. This is where you will be able to create ebooks based on specific URLs. So if you have a blog post, or you see a blog post that you like, a YouTube video, or you see a Reddit thread that's has a lot of great information around, you know, whatever niche you're targeting, or a Quora thread or a forum thread or whatever it is that you find out there that has a ton of valuable information and you want your ebook to be created around that, you can go ahead and do that. So here I have a few URLs that talk a lot about whole life insurance and cover a lot of great information of that. So I'm going to go ahead and use those, and you'll be able to use up to 3 different URLs. All right, and you can mix and match. So if you have one blog post, one YouTube video, one forum thread, you can do that and mix and match your whatever you're using to customize your ebook. And you can see here we have URL, PDF, and YouTube options here. And this gives you, again, a bit more guidance of what you want covered in your ebook, and you'll be able to add up to 3. And again, this is one of our upgrade options here. And then this is where you add your monetization. Okay, so you can add up to 3 different links. So if I add an affiliate link here, and then I add, let's say, my YouTube channel. All right, and then have it linked to my YouTube. And let's say that I also want, let's say I have a book a call. All right, and I want to have a call to action inside of the ebook somewhere. Then I'll do that here, and then I'll have maybe my Calendly URL here. Okay, and you'll be able to add up to 3 different monetization options there. And then on top of that, you'll also have a call to action that will be added automatically for you at the bottom of the ebook. So at the end, you can have another call to action, and we'll do something like book a call with me here. Okay, and we'll do the same thing, a Calendly link. All right, and then here you can have the audiobook created automatically for you during the creation of the ebook as well. If you don't want to do it at this point, then you can just go ahead and disable it, and you can go back and do it after the ebook is created. All right, so if you did want to do it right away, All you have to do is just select your voice that you want. You can preview them all there. You can add your call to action at the bottom here. So book a call with me by calling, and then you had your phone number, and then obviously the voiceover actor is going to say this at the end of the audio version of the ebook. You have the option to increase the length of the ebook, of the audiobook. That again is going to depend on which level you purchase. Okay, and then once all of this is done, all right, I'm going to go ahead and disable this just for now. All right, once you're done with all of this, you just hit create ebook, and that ebook now gets created. Okay, now let me quickly show you what the manual version looks like. All right, and again, this is a bit more of an extensive option, but it allows you to customize your ebook a lot more. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll do 3,000 words, so something quick and easy that pretty much teases people on the benefits of whole life insurance, and then come back to me for more information. So I'm going to go ahead, create ebook, and now you'll see that we have all of these options here that you can be manually involved with. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that everything automatically gets done by AI. So you can literally just choose your options, or remove options, or add options. But overall, everything already gets written in and filled in for you. And then you can manually select what you want covered. And here we have 3 options that it provides me with. And if I click through to each one, you'll see that the main topic and the different subtopics change as I flip through these different options. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this one, understanding whole life insurance for people in their 30s, building financial security early. Okay, and then all these subtopics look good. What is whole life insurance? Why your 30s are the ideal time to start? How whole life insurance builds cash value over time, comparing whole life insurance with other life insurance options, tax advantages, using whole life insurance for retirement, protecting your family, common myths, and steps to choose the right whole life insurance policy. So you can see each topic and subtopic builds upon the previous one, so it makes it a complete ebook that truly adds value, and it's like an ebook that you would write manually, because every important thing that would come through someone's mind that's thinking about getting a whole life insurance gets covered here, and it gets covered in the correct order so that it provides a ton of value to them. And it's going to do this for any niche that you want as well. It's going to build you high quality ebooks that truly provide value, because that is what we want to create. Okay, we don't want to just create long ebooks for the sake of creating long ebooks. We want to create ebooks in a way that truly provide value, that truly make people want to purchase, that truly make people want to pretty much take the next step, where you make a commission, where you make a sale, where you get a lead, all of that stuff, and all that comes back to ensuring that your ebook provides a lot of value. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and continue. We do have to confirm each and every step, because each and every step builds upon the previous step. All right, so the next option is to pretty much dial in what audience we want to target with our ebook. And again, the AI does all of this for me, and you can customize it as much or as little as you like if you do not agree with what audience the AI came up for you. Okay. So here the demographics are individuals aged 30 to 39, both male and female, primarily residing in an urban and suburban areas in the United States, middle to upper middle income households, professional background, early to mid-career professionals, including salaried employees and self-employed entrepreneurs with stable income streams or varying degrees of financial literacy, their business characteristics, their goals, their challenges, their mindset, their needs and interests, and a summary at the bottom. And again, all of this is already filled in for me by the AI, but if I did want to customize it, that's why we have this manual option there. And then I hit continue, confirm, and each and every step from here is the exact same. Okay, the AI does it all for me, but if I didn't want to customize it, I can. Okay, I'm going to hit continue and confirm on the back cover, which was written for me. And then here I can go ahead and customize the different title that I want as well. So you'll see we have about 7 options there. to choose from. Okay, and it's going to provide me a title and a subtitle. All right, so you can choose which one you like. All right, and then all of that continues all the way up to being able to control how much words go into each and every section. Okay, and the structure step is also a great step because from there all the chapters get pretty much written out in terms of what the title is going to be, what the subtitle is going to be, and what a description is going to be, and then you can go ahead and customize that even further. Okay, so again, I'll cover a lot more and every single step of this on the live demo session. I just don't want this demo to go too long, so make sure you do join me on that live demo session so that you can see just how powerful this is. Okay, and if I come back here to the eBooks tab, this one is still being written for me. Okay, but let me go ahead and just show you this one here. Oh, I think I might have made some changes to that. So yeah, we detected changes, so it's regenerating that as well. So the reason it did that, all right, you'll see here, this is one that I wrote previously. So the reason that it regenerated that ebook is because we have a built-in editor in here that allows you to edit any section that you like. So if you want to change the cover photo, you can, and obviously change the layout of your ebook, the font of the cover, all of that. And then you can do the same thing for any section that you'd like. You can come in here and edit absolutely any text that's included in your ebook. Okay. And again, I'm going to cover all of this in depth on the live demo session. All right. So we do have a complete built-in editor in there. And then we also have some done for you ebooks that you'll be able to get access to. So if you want to come in here and just grab some ebooks in some of the hottest niches out there, we're going to have that available. Those ebooks are also going to come with a complete step-by-step 7-part email series that you can load up to your autoresponder and start providing even more value to your subscribers. All of that good stuff. So make sure you do join me on the live demo session. This is just a quick breakdown of just how powerful this is. And it will allow anyone to come in here and leverage the power of ebooks to build value, build a list, get sales, make commissions, all of that stuff by providing tremendous value in the format of an ebook or audiobook as well. So this is eBook Valet in a nutshell, and I look forward to showing you more of this on the live demo session as well.